In today's energy markets, let's take a look at natural gas futures as they're experiencing some further selling today. Natural gas futures coming off of some heavy selling yesterday to trade lower initially today. Now coming off those lows, still down slightly on the day, but well off the intraday lows as the markets are priced right around the 2.88 level currently. And it's down about a little under 1% on the day. But we did see an intraday low of 2.756, so we're well off those intraday lows. And we also did see natural gas futures higher just before the afternoon close at 2.958 before giving up some ground after coming off those intraday lows and actually showing some higher price action just before the close today. And when you look at some of the driving factors, really I think one of the primary drivers that helped support natural gas futures after reaching those intraday lows was the release that yesterday the U.S. had record consumption of natural gas due to the cold snap going through the lower 48 states here in the United States. And that was a factor, I think, that brought natural gas futures off those intraday lows. Couple that with also some of the dynamics in the market where we did see heavy selling pressure in the energy space early, both natural gas and WTI. And then some buying pressure as we move through the session. Again, either finding some support down there in regards to demand, as well as the potential shifting of the dynamics within the supply category for both WTI and natural gas. And looking at the general trends, natural gas futures are now coming off a 2-month high to trade down intraday to a 1.5-month low before bouncing back. And if you look at the peak to trough, close to close over the last 3 days, natural gas is down 13% from the highs we did experience 2 days ago, that closing high, which was a 2-month closing high. And as I mentioned, there's the energy complex as a whole today. Selling pressure pretty much across the board early in the session, but then some renewed buying pressure as we move through the afternoon, helping to support natural gas closing just down slightly on the day. In the case of WTI, getting back to unchanged on the day after trading down to around the 70.56 level before coming off those lows to trade back over $72 in today's price action.